Well, it's great to be at Charles Darwin University, one of our 8 drought innovation hubs that we're putting across the country. And it's not just about innovation around science for drought, but we want to actually build the capacity of these types of universities in also our commodity research development corporations, funneling their research into it. So building the capacity, not just for drought research, but for entire science, research and technology for agricultural sector. So we're getting bang for buck with the levy payer, as well as this investment through the Drought Future Fund of $88 million for these 8 hubs. So exciting times. The new pillar of agriculture is research and development and technology, and Charles Darwin University will play a very important role that, particularly in the tropics.
So from an NT farmer's point of view, we see the collaboration in a few different lights. We see bringing everyone together in the same room to have a conversation across different commodities. We can learn so much from each other, but also directly dealing with people on the ground, farmers on the ground that are impacted by drought and water deficiencies. And how can we increase productivity while protecting our valuable resources, our land, our water, into the future?
The hub is absolutely critical. If you think that our hub covers 2.2 million square kilometres, so a very large part of the country. It covers the whole of the Northern Territory, from the tropical zone all the way down to Central Australia, to the arid and rangeland zone, and then across into similar areas of Western Australia. So drought in Central Australia is what people live with almost all the time. I think it's also important when we think about Northern Australia is people think that we're the tropics, but during the dry season, we are effectively living in drought. It doesn't rain for 6 months. So it's absolutely critical when the country looks at Northern Australia as being providing opportunities for significant agricultural and primary production expansion. But we need to do that whilst at the same time managing our very precious water supplies, providing innovative management practices to our farmers, to our growers, to our pastoralists, to be able to cope with an uncertain climatic future.